Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. Let's start our study now, which is from page number 10. Today I am going to explain you about some concepts which has a relation with exercise 1E. Before solving that exercise 1E, we have to understand all that concepts. So let's start from first topic is subset. I had already explained it to you in my previous video, but I'm going to explain it again. If each element of a set A is also an element of another set B, then set A is called the subset of set B. If there is a big set F, set A, and some elements of set A are in the elements of set B as well, so set B is called the subset of set A. For subset, we use that symbol to denote it. For example, if there are two sets, set D, water, soda, squash, milk, tea and coffee, and in set W we have only water, soda and squash. So we said that set W is the subset of set D because it has some elements of set D. Same like this, you have some examples here, and by denoting this set W we have to use that subset sign, that set W is the subset of set S. Now move on. Here another example of subset is set A has 1, 2, 3, 4 and numbers till 10, and set B has 1, 2, 3 and set C has 4, 5, 6, 7. So we said that set B and set C both are the subset of set A, and we denote them like this, that set B is a subset of A and set B is a subset of E as well. E has also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is the subset of set E as well because set B has some elements of set E. Same like this, set C is the element of set A because set C has some elements of set A. Same like this, we can write some other examples as well. Now move on for the power set. Move on for the proper set. If every element of set A is also an element of set B and at least one element of set B is not an element of A, then A is a proper subset of B, denoted by the symbol A proper subset of B. Means that if there is a bigger set, and in this bigger set A, at least one element are not in another set which is B, so it is called the proper subset. At least one element is less than. Here the symbol this means is a proper subset of, for example, if set A has set of peoples in your family going on a picnic. Some peoples are going on the picnic, but set B is the set of all people in your family. So it means that a may or may not contains all the members of B. That set A don't have all the members of set B. Therefore, we will write it as a proper subset of B. Now move on for the next concept, which is improper subset. Improper subset is about a subset that contains every element of the set A is called the improper subset of A. A subset, a smaller set which has all the element of A, it is called improper subset of A. Improper subset of A. The improper subset and original sets are equal as they contain the same elements. Because an improper subset has the same number of elements as the set A has, so if we compare the two sets, both have the same number of elements, so these two sets are called improper subset. I hope you understand. Now move on to supersets. A superset is a set that contains an element of a smaller set. For example, A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 1, 2, 3, 4. If we have two sets and we are going to compare them, A is the subset of B as well, but B, what is B? then B is a superset of A because B is the bigger set. So B is the superset of A, and this is symbolically expressed as B is the superset of A. The symbol for superset we use is this. I will show you the symbols further also. So move on for the next, which is power set. A power set is a set that contains all the subsets that can be possibly created from an original set. For example, a power set is a set that has all the subsets that can be created from the original set. A power set is a big set, but all the subsets from the it has all the subsets from the big set. Then if we have set A, for example, if we have set A has 1, 2, 3, then the following subsets can be created. From that set A, we can create following subsets: an empty set, only 1 as an element, only 2 as an element, only 3 as an element, and with 1, 2, 2 elements, with 1, 3, with 2, 3, with 1, 2, 3. These all are the subsets of that set A. And if we put all that subsets in a big set, like this, and we denote it with that sign power set. If we put all that subsets in a big set, then it is called a power set of set A. Okay, now move on for the correspondence between sets. Here we have two sets. A correspondence means that if these both two sets have same elements and we compare them with each other one-to-one correspondence, so it is called correspondence between two sets. Compare one element with the one element of other set, compare second element with the second element of other set, and third element with the third element. So an element cannot be paired with more than one element. So it is called correspondence between sets. Now the last concept is cardinality of a set. Cardinality of a set is the number of elements of a set is called its cardinal number. For example, we have a set A. It has A, B, C, D. 4 elements. So if we write its number, so we said that cardinality of set A has or is 4. Cardinality of set A is 4 because it has 4 elements. Here I have a table symbol used in sets. It is about the symbols of that topics which we read or understand now. For this is a symbol for equal to when we are going to compare two sets. This is a symbol for not equal. This is a symbol for equivalent sets. You can clearly see and understand it that E sign is used for the element or a member of. 3 is the element or a member of this set. So we said that 3 element of this, and this is the element of not a member or not a part of any set. So here 3 is not an element of 0, 1, 2 set because it is not in 3. This is a sign of subset. This is the sign of proper subset, and this is the sign for such that. The XX is a day of the week, and that 2 dots we used for such that. Regarding all that explanations, you can solve that fill in the blanks by your own self. It's very easy for you to find the answer of that fill in the blanks from the previous explanations. Part 1 is a unit set is also called a dash. It is singleton. It is a definition from page number 8, first line of page number 8. You can solve all that answers very easily from the previous definitions. I hope you can do question number 1 by your own. Thank you. See you in my next video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.